Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today going to revision with standard 6. रिवीजन इन कंप्यूटर आपका 1 से लेके 5 तक का जो है इसमें सिलेबस है। चैप्टर 1 से लेके 5, इस पांचों चैप्टर्स का फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, MCQ और बुक के अंदर से भी जो कुछ भी हुआ है इसका रिवीजन मैंने चैप्टर 1 और 2 का पहले भी कराया है। जैसे बुक के अंदर से इस प्रकार क्वेश्चन होगा कि लेडी अगस्टा लवलेक एक मैथमेटिशियन थे जो फर्स्ट प्रोग्रामर थी। उसके बाद फॉर्टन एक लैंग्वेज है जो साइंटिस्ट इस्तेमाल करते हैं। इसका रिवीजन हमने कर चुके हैं आपसे। आज चैप्टर 3 और 4 का रिवीजन करेंगे। चैप्टर 3 इनहेंसिंग ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन को कैसे इनहेंस करेंगे, इसमें जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बुक के अंदर से बनेगा वो इस प्रकार। द रिकॉर्डेड साउंड फाइल हैव द एक्सटेंशन WAV टू मेक ए डुप्लीकेट ऑफ द करेंट स्लाइड प्लेस Ctrl+D कॉम्बिनेशन एंड विंडोज की +R शॉर्टकट की है ना टू ओपन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट। The transition are the special effect that you see when one slide changes to the another in a slideshow view. Animation effect can be applied on both text and object on each slide. A action button is a ready-made button for defining the hyperlink on a slide. It is essential to connect a microphone to the computer while recording your sound. And from beginning button is present on the slide. Start slideshow view. Loop until a stop checkbox used to continuous play a sound clip. इसके बाद है MCQ. Which shortcut key used to make the duplicate of the slide is Ctrl+D. Animation effect can be added to the object on a slide, and the recorded sound file are saved with the extension .wav. Which symbol indicate that the type of effects used for text and object in a slide is a star button. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल, इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बुक के अंदर टू रिपीट मोस्ट कमांड एक्शन प्रेस F4, Ctrl+Shift+7 to apply the outline border around the selected cell or a range. The enter data in a multiple lines in a same cell, use of Alt+Enter key. Ctrl+Z for undo and Ctrl+Y for redo command. You can minimize a workbook Windows 2 icon pressing the Shift Ctrl+F and F9 and Ctrl+10. Maximize the restore selected worksheet windows. The appearance of date and time on a worksheet depend upon the date format applied to the cell. To repeat most of the command or action, F4 key used, and you can minimize the worksheet by pressing the Ctrl+F9 key combination. The cancel and enter button are present on the formula bar. When you use F2 key for modification, the insertion point appears at the end of the cell contents. And to copy the data, Ctrl+C key combination is used. The default value of the column width and the row height in a worksheet are 8.43 and 15 point respectively. MCQ. The F2 function key used to change the cell contents of a cell of the selected cell. Ctrl+V combination used to paste the cell content. When you finish the editing within a cell, the Excel returns to the ready modes. To select the range, hold down the Control key and click the adjacent cells. And Ctrl+Z is the shortcut key to undo the last action. And the Ctrl+Shift+7 key combination can be used to apply the outline border around the selected cell. And Ctrl+A key combination is used to select an entire worksheet. एंड चैप्टर 5 फार्मूला एंड फंक्शन। फार्मूला एंड फंक्शन में जो है वो बुक के अंदर से टू कॉपी द फार्मूला टू द सेल सेलेक्टेड रेंज प्रेस F2 एंड देन प्रेस द कंट्रोल प्लस एंटर एंड formulas are the used to perform the calculation. A formula always begin with the equal sign. The cell address in a formula also called cell reference. The cell address formula does not change or copying in consideration to absolute reference. The addition of two or more text value is called concatenation, and the argument are the input of the to function with accept value to the another text, and the function must to be followed by opening and closing parenthesis. The AND character used to concentration of strings, and to use the sheet reference, the sheet 1 plus exclamation D4, which key combination used to get the sum of the values of the adjacent, alt plus equal, and which function find the largest number in range max, and which function returns to the remainder after the number is divided by the divisor is mod, which of the given cell reference can be used in the relative reference is A3, which function used to count the number of numeric value in a range is count. So these are the questions of chapter 1 to 5. Thank you.